No, yeah, guys, what a surprise. What?
Oh my! What? Double for the blue flapper, so let's double.
Whoa! Wait, seriously, we got a crazy time. Whoa! Blue flapper, baby!
Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Jaya, Bingo Plus, top winners, 2,214 winners. Too much. Yes. Good luck, everybody. Here's the next spin. Here we go. Let's spin the wheel and see what we got. Here it is. Good luck. Just want to say, guys, welcome to the newcomers. Autoplay is available. 5x on cash on top slot. And check out spin history and game stats. Learn more about the game. Come on, please, 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 please. Yes! I did it! I did it! I did it! Ladies and gentlemen, I did it! 5x cash hunt. Yes! 5XO Apiro. That's a... Okay, here we go. Now there's a 500X multiplier. You gotta find it. We're gonna hide the 500X by symbols. Symbol doesn't necessarily directly correlate with the multiplier. You've been given artillery, a cannon. Fire that cannon, find the 500X. That's your mission. Benja Guys, Benja that's like a different universe. It's like Marvel movie. You got like different universes. Okay, here we go. Where's that 500? 500 in the corner right there. Look at all these 100Xs. Easy money, guys. It's like a money printing machine. 5,205 winners. Look at that. 60,000, 16,000.
Is that a Wii Sports theme song? Which one? Turbo! Crazy time 4x, let's go! No, yeah, guys, what a surprise, what a surprise. Would be nice, you know what would be nice? To get a crazy time with the top slot someday. That would be nice. You know, I remember when my grandma said about that bonus and everything. I didn't realize. Now I see what she meant, guys. Now I see. 4x, crazy time. So everything's gonna be 4 times better than normal. Do you think it's normal? I think it is. So we will have a 400x. And then doubles. Wait, is it triple? Or is double? Double, yeah. So 400x you can get, guys. You can get even more, maybe, if the stars align correctly. Green, blue, yellow. All right, guys. We have gathered here together to see this special moment happening. Like, subscribe, and let's smash this red button. Good luck. So 100x for green and blue, 200 for yellow here. Nice. I mean, that's pretty good, guys. What can I say? Bonus, watermelon, amber, and BBM. Nice one.
Turkish secret for amazing teams. Please let me know. Oh my! What? That is crazy time for us. No way, guys. Let's go. All right, guys. Come on in with me. Yippee! Welcome to the big wheel, guys. Let's not forget there was a 7x from the top slot as well. So let's multiply all the multipliers. Alright, your time to choose green, blue, or yellow flapper. If you do not choose one, the game's gonna assign one to you automatically. So now you can choose if you want the responsibility of choosing one now. So far, most of you have decided on the blue one. Alright, the max multiplier 700x. Good luck, guys. Let's see what we do. Double for the blue flapper, so let's double all the multis. Alright, the max multiplier is 1,400x. Good luck, guys. Let's see what we do.
I have a lot of them. That's a ton for you. 6,400 winners. Welcome to Crazy Time. Welcome to Players Who Beats whatever you want to. That's a big looking 10 out of 10. You hitting the gym, bro? Well, you better be hitting the big gains, bro. Who else is gonna pick you up and then you? Get to the chopper. Oh, flat times cash on. Nice. So that'll do.
Are we actually going to cash runs? Sir, yes, sir. Not just any cash run, ladies and gents. It's a 5 times cash run for you to enjoy. So you'll see that thingy right now, and then it's gonna be 5 times.
Come on, 5 times. Hopefully, no. Eventually, it's gonna hit and it's gonna be great.
Woo!
It kind of looks funny. I'm gonna lie.
Perfect. Let's go. 500x on the line.
So, hat, apple, and sheriff's badge. Those 3. Look out for those 3 specific segments to see if you can cash our bank 500x. What do we have over here, I'd say? It's a lovely mix of all sorts of different symbols. But jokes me, it's actually gonna be a cupcake or a bird. I don't know. I usually would aim for cupcakes or birds, but I did register that big 500 was on a hat, sheriff's badge, and what else? What was the third one? There was a third one too, kind of forgot. But yeah, if you don't pick and choose, it's gonna be automatic, it's gonna be random. Where is it? There's one, there's a few, there's a lot of cool thingies, so hopefully you got them all. Congratulations, you gotta catch them all, but you can only catch one. 721 people got the 500x. I'm Gucci. You're Gucci? I'm Gucci. 229,000 bucks for Zeno. Chef's kiss. 9.3 thousand winners. Hey, 50x still 50x, bro. That's still Gucci. 5 times cash hunt, that was just 5 times cash hunt. There is a possibility for the 50x cash hunt to pop out if all the stars align and say, 3 times 2, by the way.
Once again, place your bet. Burger rhymes with nurture. Yeah, and yeah. You know cappuccino rules? I know. No, I know cappuccino rules. You know what? I made the mistake, Elka. I made the mistake of ordering an iced coffee. At Italy, you know what they brought me? You're probably gonna be like, yeah, obviously that's what they brought you, but you know, I am used to iced coffees. I'm like, you know, like a Starbucks thingy. Whoa! Wait a second. Hold that coffee talk. I'm a little busy right now. Crazy time. With a 3x top slot. Woo! Let's go! Alright guys, we got a 3x multiplier top slot for this round of crazy time. Let's triple up the whole wheel. Woo! Alright, now make a decision, guys. Green, blue, or yellow? Green, blue, or yellow? Come on, guys, you can do this. All right, 600X we're aiming for. Let's do this, guys. Woo! Hoorah! Woo! We got a 30X on blue, 75X on yellow, and a 300X on green. $30X, 75X, and a 300X. Gotta go. Wow, amazing. How great. 10X multiplier. Yeah, 10X multiplier for the red side of the coin. Congratulations to each and every one of you. Good job, 7,765 players. Nice. Well, red's open now. Gartos, A21, and FGB. Top 3 winners. Let's go. Which country I'm from? I am from Latvia, King. What about you? Where are you from? Let's go. Thank you, Shadi. Thank you. 4X for crazy time. We're coming up to crazy time, actually. 4X, baby. 4X. Previously, we got a crazy time 3X. Now we got a crazy time 4X. I'm surprised they allow me to spin, right? 4X. Let's go. Guys, we got a 4X multiplier. Let's add it throughout the whole wheel. Woo! Awesome! All right, guys. So, green, blue, or yellow, what color flapper do you think is going to have the highest multiplier with this 4X multiplier added? Come on. 800X maximum, guys. Let's get to it. Woo! Whoa! Blue flapper, babies, come on. That's a triple. Triple. I don't remember last time I saw a triple, guys. Triple. Going for a 2,400X multiplier, guys. Woo! That's a 600 on the blue flapper and 100 on the green and the yellow, guys. Woo! Guys, green and yellow flapper, we got 100X, 600X on the blue flapper. Top one winner, SC won 40,000 euros. 40,000 euros for the top one winner, guys. Congratulations. In the span of the last 2 hours, we've had a crazy time 300X, we've had a crazy time 600X in our...
Feel free to place your best right now. Last crazy time, 50, 25, 30. Crazy time with 4X stops it on top. Wait a second, we're getting closer. No, stop, dude. Don't go anywhere. Oh, wow. Yes. We have crazy time with 4X stops it on top. Ladies and ladies, just follow me. Love that. My dear players, welcome. Woo-hoo! All right, bingo. Just pick a nice color. You need to pick up a nice one. The winning one with the highest multiplier. Oh, well, 4X. Woo! That's what we need. All right, there's only 3 colors. Green, blue, and yellow. Last time, green was with the highest multiplier, 50X. I mean, lowest, blue with 25X. What's gonna happen this time? 800X multiplier. Wow. Good luck, everybody. 200s on blue and 40 on last two colors. Alright, 981 winner. Congratulations to every one of you. Woohoo! You know, blue color is my favorite one. Maybe that's why we land on 200X. I love it. Alright. Woo!
Rain, 2x so far, like, I mean, you mean hour? I mean, just after, you know, like, I don't know. Like right now. And by the way, pointed, and we have another 2x. We have a top side, guys. Another coin flip with a top side. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to yet another coin flip. Yeah, we just had it, guys. We just had it. But maybe this time, no, because it's 2x. Maybe something special will happen. We don't know. Let's see. I want to go. I want to cry. Guys, there's 200x in a 4. And everything is decided on a push of a button. Can you guys do it? Good luck, everyone. I'm gonna close my eyes, okay? Yes! 200x. Very nice. Congratulations to 1,122 winners. Good luck next show, of course, now. That's your event, so go ahead, place your bet if you want to see what is next. Yay, guys. Yay. We did it. Woohoo. Something good came out of here. Right, yeah, it's gonna be the same time, I believe.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.